This is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today I'm bringing to you a French coloring book. This is part of the Art Therapie series of 100 illustrations. However, this is a small version, which is 7.5 by 5.5 inches. It is a hardcover. The front cover is matte. The spine has the pertinent information on it. My copy is secondhand, so it's a little bit beat. The covers are a bit beat up, and the back tells us a bit about what we can find inside, and that there are 100 illustrations, and that's in French. We have red end papers, title page, and the illustrations are by a variety of people here. I'll just name them out. Vincent Jonatra, Lydia Kostanek, Geraldine Mayo, Emile Ramon, Charlotte Segon Rabillot. And the book is copyrighted 2014. So we start with a quote from Jules Renard, 1889, which says, "The best calm can be found in a cat," something like that. Now the book is single-sided, and the paper is pretty good. It's probably not quite as thick as in the large size books, but still a very light card. And each illustration at the bottom of it tells you who illustrated that page, which is quite an interesting thing to do. So the illustrations are not framed. The book is, looks like it's a glued binding. Oh, no, it's sewn. Is it sewn? Yeah, it's a sewn binding, which is then glued into the spine. And you have to break the spine like that in different places throughout the book. So every illustration has a cat. There are patterns as well as pictures. All of the illustrations are portrait style. All sorts of different kinds of art through the ages. We have Egyptian style, medieval style. There's a few mandalas. Tons of different types of illustrations in here. Probably something for everyone, I'd say. And this is a second-hand copy, so there is a page here that's been started by the previous owner. Just lovely illustrations. Looks like we have some 50s mod illustration there, or 60s. Yep. Wonderful book for the cat lover, or those who like to color cats. And the back tells us about the different illustrators found in the book, which is really cool too. Then we have some samples of other pictures in this same collection of the small-sized ones. And that's the back of the book. So once again, this is Chat Therapie, which means cat therapy, by Hachette Loisir.